4, 8. Because the x and the y have been flipped around. Y is in the parentheses, so it's paired up with the y coordinate of the vertex. The negative positive rule still applies in there. Just the x and the y have switched. Okay? Working on this next one. I'm going to factor a 5 out of the first two terms only. I'm going to set up to complete the square. What goes in the box? 5 halves squared. Is that what goes in the second box?
No.
No, there's a number out here being distributed, so I have to actually multiply this out. So it's 5
6 and 1/4
times 5 halves squared, which is 25 fourths, which is 125 over 4, or 31 1/4.
Oh, I got 1/2.
One-fourth. 4 goes into 10.25. I mean, yeah. Whatever I just said. Didn't make any sense. But it's 31 1/4.
I have 4th in the answer with half on it.
Okay, that's weird. All right, so we have x equals 5. This trinomial factors down to y plus 5 halves. And then 60 minus 31 1/4. What's 60 minus 31?
28 3/4.
Okay, y'all didn't answer my question.
28.
No, 60 minus 31 is 29. And 29 minus 1/4 is 28 3/4. All right, so how does it open?
To the right.
To the right. What's the vertex?
28.
28 plus negative 5.
Very good. All right, now the last one threw a negative in there. That probably messed you up.
Bad.
But it's okay. Don't overthink it. Just keep doing the same process over and over again. Okay? We want y squared to be positive y squared. So I've got to factor out everything in front of it, the negative and the 4. All right, now, that means I'm dividing by negative 4. So I have a positive y squared, and when you take a positive 6y and divide it by negative 4, what does that change the sign to? Negative 6/4, which reduces to 3 halves. Okay, we're still going to set it up exactly the same. Don't start overthinking the minuses and the plus. What goes in the box?
3/4.
3/4 squared. All right? And when I distribute this, I have negative 4 times 9/16, which gives me negative 9/4. And see, if you just follow procedure, now it's clear what happens with the sign. We still had to subtract something from the other side. We're just subtracting a negative number. Okay? All right, so this gives me negative 4. We've got y minus 3/4 squared. And what do you get when you subtract a negative? Plus, and what's 9/4? 2 1/4? 4 1/4. We're still, the procedure hasn't changed. The numbers got a little bit scarier, but the procedure didn't change. All right, so this one opens to the left. Very good. And the vertex is? Very good. Okay? For homework tonight, don't do anything. No homework over the weekend. Y'all relax. Y'all had exams this week. Don't worry about math.
Thank you.